As a business account holder, you have the access to a range of powerful tools to manage your inventory. The inventory dashboard is your central hub for viewing, managing, and updating all of your listings. From here, you can track stock, adjust quantities, and one of the most powerful tools, generate QR code labels for your stock. Accessing the inventory page. When you open the inventory page, you'll get a full overview of each listing. Each column displays key details like item name, stock levels, and pricing. If you're looking for something specific, just use the search bar or apply filters to find your exact item quickly. All individual listings will appear here automatically. For larger inventories, the bulk upload feature saves you time. Just click bulk upload, download the CSV template, fill in your item details, and download the file to update multiple listings at once. Once your items are in the inventory dashboard, right, the inventory dashboard. Inventory. Yeah, I'm sorry. Because I say inventory, that's how I'm saying it. Like inventory. Let me just pause. Inventory. I make it into 2 syllables, basically. The inventory. We have made tagging your stock really efficient with our QR code label generator. Simply click on the More Options button next to your item and select Generate Label. The label will open in a new tab, ready for you to print and attach. You can then use the app to read the QR code and make updates to your inventory while you're right there in the warehouse. Access the built-in QR code reader, and with one quick scan, you're taken directly to the items page for fast, easy management. To update your stock levels, simply find the listing you want to adjust and click the Stock Control button. Increase or decrease the quantity as needed, and once you're happy with the changes, hit Save and you're all set. Need to duplicate a listing? No problem. With the duplicate listing feature, you can copy an existing listing, make any tweaks you need, and publish the new version. It's perfect for similar items or variations, saving you time and effort in the process. If you want to offer exclusive rates to business buyers, you've got it. Easily enable trade pricing to apply discounts across all of your listings, or customize the pricing for individual items is entirely up to you. The inventory page is designed to make stock management easy, giving you more time to focus on growing your business. Dive into your inventory dashboard today and start streamlining your operations on ifndautoparts. Yeah, I can say that, yeah, inventory, it's just Mancunian thing, but I can say it inventory.
Yeah.
Yeah? Inventory. Inventory. Sounds like that. Do you want me to go back and re-say the first one so I don't